Welcome to the ultimate guide to API architectures. Application programming interfaces are the backbone of modern software architecture, connecting web clients to servers and microservices to databases. In this video, we will explore the 7 primary API styles: REST, GraphQL, SOAP, gRPC, Webhooks, WebSockets, and JSON-RPC. Let's break down how each one works, inspect real code requests and responses, and see when to use them in production. First, let's look at REST, or Representational State Transfer. REST is the most widely adopted API style for public web services. It relies on standard HTTP methods like get to fetch resources, post to create them, put or patch to update, and delete to remove them. REST APIs are stateless and centered around resources identified by clean URLs, like /v1/users. Data is usually formatted as readable JSON. It's simple, highly cacheable, and universally supported. Second, GraphQL API. Created by Meta, GraphQL solves the common REST problems of overfetching and underfetching data. Instead of multiple resource endpoints, GraphQL uses a single HTTP post endpoint, usually /GraphQL. The client sends a query specifying exact fields required, such as username and email, and the server returns precisely that shape in JSON. Mutations handle updates, while strong schema typing ensures high client-server predictability. Third, SOAP, or Simple Object Access Protocol. SOAP is a standardized, XML-based protocol commonly found in legacy enterprise applications, banking systems, and healthcare services. Unlike REST, SOAP enforces rigid security standards like WS security and strict contract definitions via Web Services Description Language, or WSDL files. Every request and response is wrapped in an XML envelope containing headers and a body. While verbose, SOAP offers built-in ACID compliance and enterprise reliability. Fourth, gRPC API. Developed by Google, gRPC is an ultra-fast, open-source remote procedure call framework built for high-performance microservices. It replaces JSON and text formats with binary protocol buffers, serialized over HTTP/2 connections. This enables compact binary payloads, bidirectional streaming, and multiplexing. With gRPC, client code can call methods on a remote server as seamlessly as calling local functions, achieving minimal latency. Fifth, Webhook API. Webhooks reverse the traditional client-server request model. Rather than forcing your application to constantly pull an API for updates, webhooks act as automated event notifications. When an event occurs on an external platform, like a successful payment on Stripe or a Git push on GitHub, the provider sends an HTTP post payload directly to a registered webhook URL on your server. Webhooks are lightweight, event-driven, and eliminate wasteful polling overhead. Sixth, WebSocket API. WebSocket provides a persistent, full-duplex TCP socket connection between client and server. It starts with an HTTP handshake, then instantly upgrades to a continuous two-way communication channel. Unlike stateless HTTP requests, both the client and server can push messages at any millisecond without connection setup overhead. WebSocket is essential for real-time applications such as live chat applications, financial trading tickers, collaborative Canvas tools, and multiplayer online games. Seventh, JSON-RPC API. JSON-RPC is a lightweight, transport-agnostic remote procedure call specification encoded in JSON. Instead of resource URLs or complex XML contracts, the client sends a JSON payload containing the method name to execute, positional or named parameters, and a unique request ID. The server executes the function and returns a matched JSON result or error object. JSON-RPC is widely used in blockchain node clients like Ethereum and Bitcoin, as well as internal RPC microservices. Let's compare all 7 API paradigms side by side. REST excels at public web services and CRUD applications. GraphQL is ideal for complex frontends requiring flexible data fetching. SOAP powers secure enterprise and legacy financial integrations. gRPC dominates high-throughput internal microservices. Webhooks handle real-time event notifications, WebSockets provide continuous two-way streaming, and JSON-RPC offers simple method-based invocation. Choose the style that best matches your system's performance and architectural requirements. You now have a deep architectural understanding of all 7 major API paradigms. Matching the right API architecture to your application's data flow guarantees better scalability, lower latency, and cleaner code bases. If you found this visual guide helpful, subscribe for more developer deep dives. Happy engineering!